Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mario Kart 8 Deluxe on Yuzu. First, you will need to set up the Yuzu emulator on your computer. Yuzu allows you to enjoy Nintendo Switch titles, like Mario Kart, on your PC. Begin by downloading the most recent installer from the official Yuzu website. Make sure your system meets the minimum specifications, which typically include a modern processor and at least 8 GB of RAM. For the best experience, also update your graphics drivers. Next, you will need to obtain the Mario Kart 8 Deluxe game files. It is crucial to acquire these files legally, for example, by dumping them from your own game cartridge or digital purchase. The game files usually come in either NSP or XCI formats. Once you have them, create a specific folder on your computer to store these files, making it easy for Yuzu to locate them. Also, ensure you have any recent game updates and downloadable content. Now, let's configure Yuzu for the best Mario Kart 8 Deluxe experience. Launch Yuzu and add the folder where you stored your game files to its library. Then, dive into the graphics settings. You might need to experiment to find the perfect balance between performance and visual fidelity for your system. Next, set up your controller. Yuzu supports many gamepads, allowing for precise steering. Finally, adjust the audio settings to fully immerse yourself in the race. With everything set up, you are ready to play. Simply launch Mario Kart 8 Deluxe directly from the Yuzu interface. If you experience any performance issues, such as stuttering or low frame rates, try adjusting Yuzu's settings, particularly the graphics and CPU options. Many common problems have solutions shared by the Yuzu community on online forums, so do not hesitate to search there. Now, grab your controller and enjoy countless hours of racing fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.